Hey TCL crew, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my newbies. Today we are going to be doing a skincare video, and I'm going to be showing you guys what black owned skincare company I ordered from to get this skin nice and right. So if you would like to see what I ordered, stay tuned for this video. From is called Buttah Skin. Buttah Skin, right? So I'm going to show you guys. I already took it out of the mailing box, but I didn't take everything out and look at it. So this is the skin transforming kit that I've received. Enriching skincare for multicultural tones, and Buttah by Dorian Renaud, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. But it is black owned, and it is skincare. All right, your journey to a more confident you starts here with our skin transforming kit. Enrich the skin you are in and glow up from the inside out. Buttah. This is the kit that I ordered. I think it comes with 3 or 4 items in the kit, and then I also ordered 2 extra things that did not come in the kit. This is the facial shea butter, and this is the Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream for your face. This kit by itself is called the Customizable Skin Kit, and it has, like I said, 3 or 4 items. I don't remember exactly what it came with, but I paid $59.99 for this kit by itself, and then each of these were $19. So this was $19 and this was $19 for the shea butter and the revitalizing cream. So let's get to it. Let me open this beautiful box so we can see what we received. All right, so it pulls out like this. All right. Your journey to a more confident you starts here. So in my kit, I got the cleanser, which it uncovers your most radiant skin. It comes with soothing coconut oil and lavender flower extract to condition and calm your complexion, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy looking. Gently lifts away dirt, oil, debris off of dead surface cells that cause dullness. You use a penny-sized amount in the palm and a massage over damp skin in a circular motion, and rinse with cool water. Excellent for daily use on all skin types. The second item that it comes with is the vitamin C serum. Get your glow on with our magic in a bottle. Get a more radiant and smoother complexion with our proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C, an antioxidant rich formula combined with the right amount of vitamins to revitalize your skin and improve the appearance of dark spots. I don't have dark spots, but I do have dark under eyes, so I hope it helps with that. You just use 4 to 5 drops to on a freshly cleansed and dried skin, massage in a circular motion all over your face, neck, chest, and any other problem areas, and allow to absorb for 1 minute, and then followed by a moisturizer. And then, so every kit comes with the cleanser and the vitamin C serum. The customizable part is the moisturizer that you get to choose for your face. So for my moisturizer, I chose the oil-free hyaluronic, if I'm pronouncing that right, oil-free hyaluronic gel cream, and that is a water-based moisturizer infused with hyaluronic acid, SP DuraQuench, and grapeseed extract, and it's ideal for oily skin. I don't have oily skin. I'm kind of like mixed. Some parts of my skin are kind of dry, like around my nose area gets dry really easily, and around my mouth area gets dry really easily, but around my cheeks and forehead and things, I get kind of oily. And we just massage a generous amount over our face and neck in upward circular motions. So let's show you what I got in this. So the cleanser, this is how the cleanser looks. It is 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 milliliters. box. Then we have the vitamin C serum. It is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Vitamin C. And then we also have the oil-free hyaluronic gel cream. Deep, long-lasting hydration. And this little box is so cute that it came in. I would just keep all of my items in this box and just sit it on my dresser like this. Right up, stand up. And when I'm ready to use it, just pull it out. First thing I purchased was the kit. It included the cleanser, the vitamin C serum, and your choice of a facial moisturizer. They have about 3 or 4 different facial moisturizers. So that was the kit for the $59.99. Which I think is a good deal because the vitamin C serum by itself was about $40 and the cleanser was about $20 by itself, if I remember correctly. So this was a good deal. The next item that I purchased was the Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. It deeply moisturizes and protects and soothes. So let's open this and see how it looks. I'm making a mess already. Smells really good. Majority of their products, if not all of their products, are made with the shea butter and the cocoa butter and other natural ingredients. But you see how that looks. I love that it says for all melanin skin tones. How to use massage generously over face and neck using an upward circular motion, ideal after your vitamin C serum, and repeat daily. I'm gonna rub it on my hand to see how it feels. Nice and soft. See that glow? That feels good. And it smells good too. All right, so the next one is the facial shea butter. Smells like shea butter, and it's a thicker material, not like a cream, but like the natural raw shea. And it's an organic virgin shea butter from Africa. You apply a dime-size amount to your fingertips, warm the product in your palms, and massage generously over the face. Unrefined shea butter. And I didn't show you guys the other products. Let me show you how they look. All right, so this is the vitamin C. It comes with a little dropper. You don't need a lot. Oh, it comes with a long dropper too. Yeah, you don't need a lot. It doesn't really have a smell. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, but it feels really good and moisturizing. And the oil-free hyaluronic gel cream doesn't really have a smell either. That feels really good. You guys can see that on me. And it does not have a smell. And the cleanser. The cleanser also does not have a smell. I am excited to try out this new skincare because I never really stuck with a skincare routine because I've never really had issues with my skin. But as you get older, you know, your body starts to change. So I just want to get ahead of any outbreaks or anything that I may experience. So definitely excited to use these products. Definitely excited to use these products, and I am going to use it tonight for the first time. I'm going to wash my face off with this makeup. Well, I really don't have makeup on. I pretty much just got eyebrows and a little bit of under eye, but that's pretty much it. But I'm going to use this tonight, and I'm going to use this to wash my face, and I'm going to come back and show you guys how my face looked after the first use. And of course, I'll do an updated video after I use it for about 2 weeks and let you guys know how I like it. But stay tuned so you can see the afterglow of me using my Black-owned skincare products.